Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to install PostgreSQL on Windows. So let's get started. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar type PostgreSQL download and press enter. In search result, click on this downloads link. Then you will redirect to PostgreSQL.org download page. In here you have to choose your operating system. So here I am choosing Windows. In here you have to click on the download the installer. In here they are showing some PostgreSQL versions. Here 18.4 is the latest one, so let's download it. So in here Windows, simply click on this download button. Then it will start downloading the PostgreSQL setup. Here you can see the download has started. Once the download is finished, simply click on the downloaded file and you can close the browser now. Now it's installing Microsoft Visual C++. So let's wait until it finishes. Once the Microsoft Visual C++ installed, then you will see this PostgreSQL installation wizard. In here, click on next. Here they are asking for the installation directory. Here you can see the default directory where PostgreSQL will install. If you want to change this directory, you can change it using this button and choose the directory you want. Since I am okay with this directory, I click on the next button. Then all the boxes are checked here: PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin for stack builder, command line tools. So do not change any of these. Keep it as default one and click on next. And here also click on next. In here they are asking for a password. You can add a password that you remember well, because this password is needed to log into your PostgreSQL database. So in here I will type password as root, and you have to retype the password in here also. Once you fill both password fields, you can simply click on this next button. Then here they are showing the default port for running PostgreSQL. If you want to change this port, you can change it, but it's recommended to keep this as default and click on next. In here also keep the default one and click on next. Then click on next. Click on next. Now the installation process has started. This can take several minutes based on your computer's performance. Once the installation is finished, it's important to uncheck this box so you can get rid of any unnecessary downloads and installs. Once you uncheck this box, simply click on finish. Now let's verify our PostgreSQL installation. So for that, press the Windows button and in the search bar type pgAdmin and click on this pgAdmin app. Now our pgAdmin is starting. So let's wait until it loads. So here it is, our pgAdmin. You can see the dashboard here and the servers are listed here, and it is asking for the password. This is the password what we entered during installation process. So we add the password as root. So here I am typing root and check this box to save the password, so you don't have to add this password every time. Once you type the password, then check the box, click on this OK. Now you can see the dashboards here, and now the properties also showing. SQL here is statics, dependencies, and here you can see your databases. This is the default database given by the PostgreSQL. Also you can create a new database also. I click on the databases and hover on the create and click on database. Then they are asking for a database name. For here I am writing database name as my database and simply click on save. So here is the new database we created. In here, when you go to schema section, you can see here tables. Since this database is new, we can right click and go on create and create a table. In here you can give the table name, columns you need. You can add it from here using this plus button. Column name, let's say column 1, and data type you can select as boolean. Here they are asking for it's not null. Let's do a table name as table 1 and then we can save it. So we have created our first table also. So our PostgreSQL installation is successful. So this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.